Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so we want to basically show this thing right here, and this is an m. So let us just assume, first of all, that x is an integer. Well, if x is an integer, then it follows that x plus m is also an integer, because m is an integer. So since x plus m is an integer, by definition of the ceiling function, this is equal to x plus m. But also, since x is an integer, it follows that the ceiling of x is equal to x. So then this is just simply ceiling of x plus m. So now when x is in the real numbers but not an integer, then you have that x must be bounded by some sort of number by some interval where n, with n being some sort of integer, right? So you have n and n plus 1, and you have x somewhere in this. So you have ceiling of x is then n plus 1, and so you have n plus m is less than x plus m is less than n plus m plus by 1. So then you have ceiling of x plus by m, so this is m, x plus by m is equal to n plus m plus 1 by definition. Now you also have here that ceiling of x is equal to n plus 1. So this is equal to m plus by ceiling of x, and you have that ceiling of x plus by m is equal to ceiling of x plus by m, since you have this thing and this thing. Now, since you've proved this is the case for both the integers and the numbers which are not integers, it follows that ceiling of x plus m is equal to ceiling of x plus by m.